Hello. Back so soon? Taylor, how do I make money this week? I know, that's what you're gonna ask, right? Well, this week we have earnings for another one of the companies I call the COVID crushers, DocuSign. Now, I'm not quite as optimistic about DocuSign as I was about Zoom.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay. But before we get into it, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I have earnings content and BPC content almost daily. And it's all time sensitive. So if you get it like a day or two late, this is gonna be totally useless. So all right, let's go. To give you the short version, DocuSign is a company that provides e-signature solutions that basically rescued the entire legal profession during the coronavirus pandemic. Overall, the company's seen pretty consistent revenue growth, with earnings to match. It also tends to beat EPS estimates, but is expected to see a slight contraction in EPS. So with such reasonable financials at this point, we have to be asking ourselves, why the is this going parabolic? It's up 80% since last earnings and 260% since the earnings before that. Now the PC ratio is redlining. Fuck me. Am I doing a put? I'm doing a put. Look, this play is super contrarian, but I'm going for a 210 put. And honestly, you could go for a call instead if you want to do it. It'd make just as much sense. Just don't do a spread. All right, so this play is admittedly not the, let's just go with conservative. Let's say it's not the most conservative play. And I think it's unlikely to actually make money, but with these kind of far out plays, every now and then you Michael Burry one and end up making like 1,000%. So we'll see how it pans out. So if you need a good source of stock market news, broker, or options flow, I have referral links for all of those down below. And if you use one of my links, we both get a bonus, which is awesome for me because I don't make any ad revenue off of any of these videos. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Make some money.